Welcome today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin in this device. So first of all, just go to settings and here scroll down to the security, tap on that, and right there you will see the more settings. Tap on the more settings and here you will find the encryption and credentials. So tap on that and here you'll see the set SIM lock 1. So tap here and here just tap to the lock SIM card switcher, and now we can just make the 1 2 3 4. Just tap, that will be our pin, and so this function is enabled. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.